those books. Santa's come early and delivered all these books. This is all the books, Korean books. I don't think there's any books in English. Oh, there's one there, maybe. Maybe. Good, Bubba?
A.
Yeah. There you go. It's very impressive, Bubba. Very impressive, Bubba. Did you know this was here? She must have known this was here. I think I ran out of room on my phone, so luckily we got a spare SD card here. Everyone's taking photos. Everyone loves a big bookstore and a big Christmas tree. A few little Christmas trees. It's absolutely incredible. I've never seen anything like this before in my life. It's right up there. In the stories, that is. Bubba's phone. Yeah? There? But wow, check it out. It goes all the way up there. Imagine if you want to get a book, you'd probably have to get a ladder. I'll just get the ladder to get the book. Or the books just stay there. They're just for decoration, I guess. How many books have we got here? Oh, a few thousand? A couple of thousand? It's basically for show, really. But I mean, can you imagine getting... I want that book up there, but I can't quite see it. That's what you have to get, like a ladder or a cherry picker. Maybe a cherry picker to get the book. And how do they get them up there in the first place? They must have had like a cherry picker. And they could have actually put more books on the shelf, because there's heaps of empty spaces up there for some more books. There's heaps of empty spaces for books. Anyway, it looks pretty cool, I've got to say. I think they could add a few more books to the collection. Yeah? Yeah. I'm going to get that perfect picture. Okay.
One, two, three. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Good. One more. 1, 2, 3. Good. Good. One more.
Yeah, let's do a solo one of her.
Okay.
Let's do a solo. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Just zoom up a bit. Just zoom. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay. Right there. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Apa juga, Pak?
Me?
Yeah,
No, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Oh, okay. Okay. Which book would you want? You want the one up the top there? I think there's Elvis book up the top there. Book on Elvis.
Go.
Or what's up here? We don't know because you can't get up there. It's just sort of decoration, Bubba.
No.
Up. Okay. Up. Only way is up, isn't it, dear? No, we didn't go that way before. So we got our photos taken there. Bubba's trying to learn a bit of Korean. Yeah, Bubba, do you want a book? There's the books, Bubba. Good Wild Hunting book, the Home Collection book, Systems Office Furniture book. This is the Moment, Bubba. There's a book called This is the Moment. But the books, it looks like they're going to be up there sitting on the shelf for a long time. So we were coming up, we didn't go this side before. But you can take a lot of photos here, Bubba. Photos of all these books. Pick a book, Bubba. Not peekaboo, pick a book. And there it is there. Starfield Korea Mall, sorry, the mall. Yeah? This is where all the photos are taken. This is nice. There's a lot of nice areas, Bubba, to take the photos. Hey? She wants to... Yeah? Bubba spotted us. The perfect spot. Yeah? This one? Does it mean I've got to take more photos again? You think? Yeah. Okay, Bubba, she just doesn't, she's got so many areas to take the photos, Bubba. Bubba, you're going to have more photos than books. That was a joke. Huh? Oh, for the books. Okay, here.
My friend. This is nice.
Yay! That's Bubba. That's Bubba here. Which book did you read, Bubba? Did you read any books?
This one, who's this one?
Oh, that's Chum.
That's Chum.
That's a younger version of Chum.
That's Chum.
You got plenty of photos, Bubba. You want to read a book, Bubba? You here to read a book or you here to take photos?
This one.
Keep the noise down, Bubba. Keep the noise down. Yay!
This one?
Yay! Where's your bag? Yeah, Bubba Skink. No, you did well, Bubba. I think we got a few photos.
I think it's Baba's cake. Okay, the library. Big library, Baba.
Very good, Bubba. Very good. Okay. Imagine how many photos would be taken in this library.
But this is nice, right?
But, yeah.
It's
not really a library because it's more just like for looks, isn't it, Bubba? I don't think anyone's going to... Do you think anyone's taken the book and not returned it? Do you think they'll notice one book? If one book was missing, do you think they'll notice it? I don't think they'll probably notice it. Plenty of photos, Bubba. See, you could add a book and they would know no difference. Huh?
Don't you think it's...
Yeah, it's nice, dear. It's nice. It's nicer now where... Now it's darker.
Darker?
Now the moment's good. No. It's nicer. It's nicer now that it's more... It's getting towards evening. There's more... The Christmas lights are really standing out. You got your bag, Bubba?
Yeah.
Let's go along, Bubba. There it is there. Starfield. All right, Bubba. Thanks. Where is she? Where's the? She's. Bubba's enjoying the moment. See, Bubba enjoying the moment. You right, Bubba?
Yeah. Nice, nice. It's nice, Baba. Are you
It's nice, Bubba. It's nice. Hobby Lifestyle over there.
They
A
did
over
this
there. A,
nicely, right?
huh?
They did
A for
this
Australia
nicely.
over there.
Huh? They did this nicely.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas, Baba.
All right, Bubba. Get a book out. Happy birthday, Bubba.
Thank you, my love.
What have we got? Did you cut the cake? Did we get you filming cutting the cake, Bubba?
The knife is so small.
The knife is small. Bubba's going to cut the cake here. Bubba's cutting the cake in Korea. Bubba, always wanted to cut a cake in Korea on your birthday?
Yeah, Baba. Yeah, Baba. Baba.
Ah. Oh, Bubba, thank you, Bubba. Huh? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray. There you go. Nice, Bubba, nice. Bubba's about to try. What do you reckon, Bubba?
Good, Baba.
Good? Good. Okay, after seeing the library, after seeing that lovely library, Bubba, we just had dinner. I didn't film dinner, and now I didn't film our dinner we had. It was quite nice. So I didn't film that. I don't film everything because it gets annoying getting the camera out all the time. But I've got it out now for the special moment for little Bubba because we run out of room on our SD card. I run out of room on my phone. Bubba's running out of room on her phone too. Bubba, you run out of room on your phone?
Yeah.
Yeah. So both run out of room. So, but I've got another couple of phones back in the room. So when we go back, I've got a couple of SD cards for this camera as well. So, all right, let's sit back. Let's enjoy Bubba. Enjoy Bubba's little moment. Yay. Yay.